Alright guys, welcome to Windows tips and tricks tutorial. The first secret tip I will be showing is, okay, I'm just opening a random folder. So this is my random folder under my documents. Let's say if I highlight any folder and right click, and if I click on send to, I will only see this default compressed desktop documents, fax receipt, mail receipt, Skype, TeamViewer, whatever the applications. Okay. Now I'm just holding the shift key on my keyboard, and if I right click on that same folder, if I go to send to option now, do you see the folder list has changed? I see a lot of other folders where I can send that particular folder, and it is applicable for any file. Okay, let's say this music file, the send to, I see only the default options. I go back here, I hold the shift key on my keyboard, again select that particular file, right click on it, and I go to send to button. I see a lot of other folders. So this is one of the secret a tip which is available in Windows. Right. The second cool tip what I'm going to show is I have an Explorer open, which is a blank one. Okay. Now here I'm just going to the files. Okay. I've just drag and drop onto my browser, so that will open that file automatically. This drag and drop feature most of us will not use because we got used to double click. That is what we're gonna do. But ideally speaking, yeah, we have to drag and drop. So let's see if I, so that's open the file like this. Okay. Right guys, the third secret tip for Windows is, okay, it's called a God mode. For that, what I have to do is I have to create a folder on my desktop. It seems I don't have an access, so what I'm gonna do is I'll create a folder under my documents. Now what I'll do is I'll mention as a God mode. Nothing is happening. Yeah, I'll do one thing. C Windows desktop users. I'm not getting a permission. So, all right. The next cool tool is problem solving recorder. For that, you have to click on Start and just type PSR. So it will open this one, Problem Steps Recorder. If I click on Start Record, okay, it will just record all my steps, what I'm doing. Right, so I'll just close this one, don't save, stop recording. Right, so it asks, so my test record, and I will just save under my desktop, my documents. So create a zip folder. I will extract it. So I'm just opening that, and so it contains all steps and information that was recorded to help you describe the problem to others. So what exactly the steps? The step one, what I've done is click on Start, open the, see, I opened the notepad, clicked on Hello My Step, thank you, and so it clearly takes a screenshot of everything along with all the information what I have done. User left click, user keyboard. So this is how it gives. So this is a very detailed information where it captured everything, which is very useful tool for any technical person or non-technical person in creating any sort of document. Alright, and the next coolest tip what I'll be showing is Windows Reliability Monitor. For that you have to click on Start, and you have to go to Control Panel, and under Control Panel go to System. So here you can see Performance, Information and Tools. Click on that and it will show, I mean, if you feel your computer performance is very slow and it's not up to the mark and applications are not responding properly, then we recommend you to open this one and just check what is the calculations for processor, your RAM, your graphics, and primary hard disk. So this, it gives a sub score and a base score. So you can also check how to I mean, increase your score. If I click on this, it will open the Dell website. Okay, it will give me some sort of inputs. You can also read on the assessment by clicking read on the assessments. It will take a few minutes to capture and retrieve information for you. It will again update all the subscore and also your base score depending upon the retrieved information. So let's wait and see what exactly uh, it's capturing. So it's currently it's running on 3D alpha blend assessment. That's for the graphics part. So guys, anything which is above 7 is actually is great. And currently it's running geometry. It's Direct 3D10 geometry assessment. Now the constant buffer assessment, media decoding, Windows media decoding. Now it's tuning. So these all comes under completely under graphics components. So that's the reason why it's checking both hardware and the software part. Now it's checking for CPU performance now. Yeah, we are almost completed 75%. Yeah, it's almost 80% now. So usually it should not take this much time, but this is the after a very long app, I'm running this assessment, so it's taking some time to retrieve and update the information. Okay, so I think still it's got for less than 5%. So yeah, disk performance is taking a quite while. So yeah, it's done now. See, it updated all the score here, the sub score and the base score. You can see it's increased from 4.8 to 5.8, which is actually a lowest sub score. It should be, the best. It's like it should be more than 7. That's what. So this is one of the coolest. I mean, a tip you can use monthly base to check your PC performance or your laptop, whatever. Alright guys, the next coolest tip I'll be showing is to get the power configuration, how much your PC or your laptop is consuming. For that, what you have to do is you have to click on start and go to run button and just type the following command. So I'm already still running, so it's taking some time to get the system behavior. For that, you have to just okay, I'll show you a command. What is it exactly? So just open Notepad for you guys. So this is the command. It's a power cfg space hyphen energy space hyphen output folder energy underscore report.html and just press enter. You should see a command prompt that's running with that particular uh, information. Okay, so this is how it's going to run, and I'll just close all these windows. It's still running. So what I'll do is I'm just rerunning the command with a bit the parameter has changed. Got locked. So what I've done is I've just added a small path. So it's a C local C drive folder energy underscore report.html. So it will generate the report under that particular path. So let's wait until it finishes, and so go back here and go to the C drive, and I would like to just see where is it. It's still running, so let's wait for the HTML file to get created, and let's see. So it's done now. So I'll just let me refresh, and let's see whether it created any folder. Yeah, this is the file, folder energy report. I'll just open this. So this is what is giving a power efficiency diagnostics report. Okay, so complete system information, BIOS, OS, and here is the analysis result. So the USB, how much, the detailed information of your complete power energy utilization of individual resources, which is pretty cool, guys. So that's it, guys, for this Windows tips and tricks tutorial, and I'll be coming back with more Windows tutorials in my next video. Until then, stay tuned and have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching.